Hey everyone, welcome back. With iOS 26, Apple is introducing a smart new feature that helps ensure your device is ready for updates when they arrive. According to Apple's release notes for the developer beta, iOS 26 can now dynamically reserve space for automatic software updates depending on how much free storage is available on your device. This means if you have automatic updates enabled in the Settings app, iOS may automatically set aside enough space to download and install updates smoothly, even if your storage is nearly full. While the change could significantly reduce update failures caused by low storage, Apple hasn't yet shared technical details on how the system manages this reserve space or whether users will be notified when it happens. For now, it's a promising behind the scenes improvement that could make updating your iPhone more reliable and hassle free in the future.